Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to integrate Klaviyo to WooCommerce. Now first thing, in WooCommerce, click the WooCommerce tab in the left-hand navigation, then select Extensions. Search for Klaviyo, then select Klaviyo for WooCommerce to be brought to the Klaviyo extension page in the WooCommerce marketplace. Next, click Add to Cart. After that, make sure you're logged into your WooCommerce Marketplace account, then check out. After that, continue the checkout to be brought to an order confirmation page, then click Add to Site. Now, if your WooCommerce Marketplace isn't connected to your WooCommerce site, copy-paste your store URL in the block box. If it's already connected, select your site from the drop-down and click Add to Site. Now navigate back to your WooCommerce admin, then select Plugins. Scroll through the list of installed plugins to find Klaviyo, then click Activate. Select Marketing from the left-hand navigation, then click Klaviyo. Click Connect Account to begin. And after that, you're done. Thanks for watching.